All right, welcome back to Whitehouse Farm, or should I say legendswoodcrafts.com. I'm here with my friend Mike.
What's up?
And he is working on this table here. We won't tell you what it is, but if you can guess what it is, I will send you one of our Whitehouse Farm stickers. And if you can guess who it's made for, yeah, you'll win that sticker.
You know what? I'll give you a legend sticker. You can give them one of them too.
There we go. You get a legend sticker and a Whitehouse Farm sticker.
Yeah.
So what are you doing here?
Well, I'm just putting some alcohol on it to show you what it's going to look like when it has finish on it. This black walnut.
Yeah, look at that.
It's a custom 5-color inlay, Italian flag in the background. Hint, hint.
It's amazing.
And yeah, who's it for?
Yeah. All right, if you could figure that out, go ahead and comment down below, and you'll be our winner.
Forget about it.
All right. As usual, we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.